Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Location of the property is excellent. If guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Car available on time. Use a program online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. To link or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. We have already prepared in this property to share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you